Hi everyone! This is my honest experience with Haier Series 5 washing machine after 60 days of use. Why it is important to always have Phillips screwdriver and pliers with this Haier washing machine. And why I regret buying this machine after 60 days of use. I bought this Haier washing machine because of sleek and modern design with the user-friendly interface, which is easy to navigate and select the perfect cycle for your needs. Machine has large capacity of 8 kilograms and advanced technology that enable efficient cleaning and minimal noise. AI does it all. Now I'm gonna put some everyday clothes in mixed clothes and run a cleaning cycle. When you put your clothes in, the AI measures the weight and helps you with selecting program and detergent use. This machine performance is very impressive with fast cycle times and effective cleaning. Its stain removal technology is a major advantage. Here I made some marks number 1, 2 and 3 so I can easily know where to add detergent and softener. This machine AI reduces the use of detergent, so here is some leftover from previous washing cycle. I only need to add a fabric softener. And now we are ready to start it. This is the main power button where you can start the machine. After you start the machine has very nice blue LED light. Here you can see various programs and possibilities of Haier machine. You can manually add delay, steam, temperature, speed, extra rinse, eye time, and select various programs. For example, automatic AI or cotton or mix or sensitive clothes or anything that you want. I like this interface very much. It's very sleek and convenient and easy to use. With your Haier machine you get these detailed instructions and it's very easy to put it on a wall near your washing machine so you can always see what program you want to use. I almost every time use mix, cotton or AI program. Now with this round selector button you can choose whatever program you want to use. And then manually you can adjust parameters that you want, like temperature, speed, extra rinse, eye time or something like that. It has endless number of possibility and program selection. When you first time use it, it looks like very complicated, but you get used to it very fast. I really like its sleek interface and possibilities to choose from various programs. And this selector button is also very convenient. What I learned when using this Haier washing machine. It's best way to use AI and just press play button and machine does all the job. AI measure the weight of your clothes and add detergent as needed. After you push play button, machine activates the child lock. With first spinning, AI measures the weight of the clothes and choose the best program for it. When you turn off the light, you can see this nice blue LED light, and watching this machine working is very satisfying. The machine is very rational with water usage and it conserves water, detergent and energy. Also, this machine is very smooth and quiet. It looks solid and I think it has a very good build quality. I had enough of this dark, now let's turn some light. Traditional washing machines often fall short in terms of efficiency with long cycles that waste water and energy. Many users also struggle with noise levels as some machines can be loud and disruptive. Cleaning effectiveness is another major issue, with certain fabrics and stains requiring special care that not all machine can provide. But this hire machine has it all covered. Another great thing is that this hire machine has 7 years of warranty for every component, not just on motor. In some other countries the guarantee is even longer. So, what's the biggest regret with this hire machine? It is that I didn't buy it before. For now it's so great and flawless that I wish that I bought it earlier. When the washing cycle is over, you can take your clothes out and see it is very clean. Now I want to tell you why I put this screwdriver and pliers in a video, so you can watch it to the end. That was just a hook. So everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.